Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you to make a very simple 9-volt paper LED lantern with using just a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is this piece of paper, which measures the width and length of the circumference of this toilet paper roll. You're also going to need this piece of paper, which will add to ripples to disperse the LED lights from these LED strips, which will go around this toilet paper roll. And of course, you're going to need these LED strips. You're also going to need a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery clip, a slide switch, and this hook, which I've already pre-bent to be able to fit into this lantern, to be able to hang up the lantern and to hang the battery off from as well. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project. First, I'm going to start with this piece of paper and toilet paper roll, and what I'm going to do is take the piece of paper and wrap it around the toilet paper roll. And I'm going to take some hot glue and put a streak of hot glue just like this, and take the paper and wrap it around it with more hot glue. There we go. Take the piece of paper and glue it down just like this. Next, I'm going to take these LED strips and stick them evenly around the toilet paper roll. Reveal the sticky side, just like this. And there, it should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take these positive and negative wires and link the LED strips together. Just like this, I'm going to start with a negative wire and solder a negative to negative. And there, all the negatives are now connected. Repeat the same process with a positive, and it should look just like this. A quick test, and there, the LEDs light up. That means everything is connected properly. Next, I'm going to solder tin the switch, solder one connection onto the LED strip, glue it into place to make it more secure, and there, it should look just like that. Next, I'm going to take the 9-volt battery clip and solder the negative wire to the negative terminal of the LED strip. There we go, solder it in place just like that. And now take the positive of the battery clip and solder it to the center pin of the switch. And there you have it, the circuit is now complete. Let's test it out with a 9-volt battery. Turn on the switch, and there, the LEDs light up. Perfect. Next, I'm going to get some hot glue and place it over the circuit just like this, to make it stay into place better and to keep it insulated. There, should look just like that. Next, I'm going to take this longer piece of paper and put it around the lantern to make those loops. I'm going to place this end of this paper right in the center between those two LED strips. Next, I'm going to put some hot glue, just like this, glue down one side of the paper, and then put more hot glue and glue the other side of the paper, where it looks just like this. And there, it should look just like this. I do admit I made a mistake with the loops. I should have made it more even, but the glue hardens too quickly on this kind of surface. But if you manage to bend it just right, you can make all the loops look more even. But this will still work. Next, I want to take this metal hook wire and place it on the top. Now, I'm going to go ahead and attach this wire that I've pre-bent. The idea is this part here holds the battery and holds through, and this is the hook part. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I've made a little dot here and a dot here, about 2 centimeters from the top, or nearly an inch. And I took my X-Acto knife and cut out notches that look like this, so that way I can slip the wire through. Slip it through just like this. Next, what I'm going to do is bend the wire so it has better center of mass, so that way this lantern is balanced evenly. And there, it should look just like this. And since there's a bar right there, I'm going to take the 9-volt battery clip and put the 2 connections in between, just like that. Now I'm going to take the 9-volt battery and connect it. By connecting it, it'll actually hold itself into place. There we go, just like that. My completed lantern right here, and I am going to hang it on these scissors right here. There we go, the lantern looks good like that. Now let's go ahead and switch it on. And there we go. Now let's see what it looks like in the dark. And as you can see, it works very well in the dark. Bright enough for me to be able to read my book, and bright enough for me to use it for any other practical uses. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple 9-volt paper LED lantern with using just a few simple parts, such as a 9-volt battery, LED strips, and made of mostly paper. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.